know where it goes, but it's home to me and I walk.
Hi everyone, Irene Kitty here. Today we're going to be learning Boulevard of Broken Dreams by Green Day. Now, to match the original key, we're going to be playing with a capo on the first fret. All right, so other than that, not much to do, but let's get straight into it. And let's start with the intro, actually, which is pretty easy. So let me do that the full speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Brilliant, and that's it really. This is the first 4 bars, and actually we're going to be playing that long E power chord. Let's have a look at the verse. Now this is the main chord progression that appears quite a few times in the song. We've got 3 verses in total. For now, I'm just going to play verses 1 and 2 at the full speed. And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a section that we're going to be playing with a clean tone, and then at the end of that, for the last 2 chords, we're going to switch to the overdrive tone to get to the chorus, right? Let's go to the strumming now. So let's check out the E chord first. So that's going to be slow. 3, 4. So that's down, 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 up. Yeah. And let's move on to the G chord. That's going to be slightly different. Let's go slow. 3, 4. So that's down, 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 up. So 1 more stroke than the previous one. Now the D major chord, that's going to be the same as the E minor. So down, 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 up. All right, and the A is going to be a little different. Let's check it out. 3, 4. Down, 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 up, down. So this essentially, this repetition, this cycle of chords happens 6 times. What's the difference the 7th time around? Okay, the difference is that we've got, instead of an A major, we've got an A power chord and a B power chord. And this is literally the last bar. So everything else is the same. E minor, G5, D, same strumming. And then when I get to that last bar before the chorus, it goes like this. 3, 4.